the good company, MNC company called, I don't want to disclose the name, but so I have been working for all the MNCs. I have been changed around 3 to 4 companies till now, and I do have got 7 years of experience. And in this 7 years of experience, I have been covered all the things in ServiceNow. So ITSM, HRSD, CSM, integrations, administrations, development, everything I have been covered in my past 7 years. So regarding the teaching, so I have been covered a lot. I have given the multiple, trainings in multiple companies as well. So you can also see my status when I keep the status as well. So I have given multiple corporate trainings, and for the very good companies like IBM, HCL, they will just come to me, and they will give an it's a certain time. I will be giving the time, and we will be teaching around 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours on daily basis. We will be teaching them for freshers or someone who will be trying to change their stream from any other non-technical to technical team like that. So I will be giving the corporate trainings as well. So apart from this, I do have teaching skills from the past 2018. I just started teaching, and I have been taught multiple batches. So yeah, I can owe you that the student who is having a zero knowledge is also fine for me. So I can give my 100% efforts to them, so that the students can listen carefully, and on a daily basis I will be giving you the tasks. So you need to perform on daily basis, so that you will be good. You will be in a good structure actually. As part of the service now and all. So yeah, this is all about myself, and I have taught around it's more than 1,000 plus students, I guess. Not only 1,000 plus, I can say it as around. I can't say it in words, but from the US, Canada, Australia, they will also come to me on call, and they will ask us to give the one-to-one trainings. So those type of trainings also I have given in my past experience. So yeah, this is all about myself. And anyone else, do you want to say about yourself? Does anyone know what is meant by service now over here? Do anyone know what is meant by service now? Anyone else? No one? Hello, can you hear me, guys? Yeah, you can.
Yes.
Yeah, please make our session interactive, so that I can understand very clearly. By your words, I can imagine that to which extent I need to say the session, so that I can easily analyze the students. So that if you speak to me, then I can understand what needs to be done, and how forward I need to go, and how much complex I need to go, so that I can understand clearly. Yeah, can you please tell me about yourself? Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Do anyone know what is
Now
the? Oh, tell me.
ServiceNow is a ticketing tool which
Yeah. Uh-huh.
helps what time.
Yeah. Actually, Pallavi, your voice is totally.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Pallavi, hello. Yeah, you are speaking on mute, Pallavi.
Yeah, it is what I can say. It's a mobile, not mobile. It was a service which can be uh,
Given to a customer.
yes, comfortable for the users actually.
So I can say it as. So let's take for example, you're working for one of the organization. Okay, you are working for one of the organization. in that organization, if you got any issues, then what will you do? I mean, issues in the sense, let's take Dr. Ravindra has been placed in one of the big organization, okay, MNC organization. So let's take first and foremost thing what that Ravindra needs. He needs an asset. Yes or no? He needs some asset. He needs to allocate some domain email ID. Yes, all
Yes.
things he needs. So what he will be doing actually, he can't go to directly to the manager and ask for the laptop, right? So there should be some process, right? There should
Yes.
be some process to follow in any of the organizations. So that's why for each and every organization, we need to have a specific tool. Okay, he needs to have some specific tool. So any of the organization, not only one organization, I can say it as even if you started a startup company as well, a basic tool is necessary to implement. I mean, to give the specific service to any of the organization, you need to maintain one infrastructure. Yes or no? If you maintain one
Yes.
infrastructure correctly, then only you will be in a good path, right? So first and foremost thing, in service now we do have ITSM. So what is meant by ITSM? So basically ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management. Okay, what it is? Can you please repeat with me?
Information technology service.
Service management. Information technology.
Service management.
Yeah, service management. So basically, what is meant by service management? That means we are trying to give a service to the IT team. IT team in the sense organizations. Okay, as a service now, you are trying to give a support to this particular company. So basically, for any of the organizations, not only ServiceNow, not only HCL, not only TCS, every organization should maintain one particular tool to report some of the issues or report some of the things. So for this one, we are having three types of major competitors of ServiceNow actually. One is Jira, another one is Salesforce. So the third one is and BMC remedy. What it is known as BMC remedy. So these are all the three competitors of ServiceNow. But right now, if you want to see Google as well, you can also see the Google. Right now, the ServiceNow is the utmost technology till now in the organizations, any of the organizations. So particularly, this ServiceNow will be the king of all these particular tools actually. So why? Because this is a cloud-based ITSM platform. What it is? It is a
Cloud based.
cloud-based, cloud-based, cloud-based ITSM platform actually. So these are also comes under the cloud, but not up to the extent. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based ITSM platform which will have a very good user interface. As because of user interface and e particular ServiceNow is upgrading for every 6 months actually. I mean, ServiceNow will release two releases for every year. He will be releasing two instances. I mean, two upgradations. So you need not to upgrade. Okay. So how can I say it as upgrade in the sense? So basically, let's take for example, you are having an Android mobile. So for 1 or 2 months, you will get some notification when you drag down to the bottom of the page. When you drop down to the phone, you will get some notifying messages, right? Please try to upgrade your updates are available for this particular phone. You please try to upgrade it. So this type of
Yes.
notifications you will be getting on the top, right? So that means
Yes.
if you try to upgrade, your phone will can't change to MacBook, right? I mean Apple iPhone, right? You will the phone which you are using would be the same, but the functionalities within that particular thing will get changed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, in the same way, ServiceNow as well. he will be releasing 2 upgradations for every year at the time of starting, at the time of middle. So he will be releasing 2 releases. Okay, now why ServiceNow? Because ServiceNow is very easy, to be honest. I'm saying now, I'm from triple background actually, so I don't know what is meant by coding and all those things. When I was in BTech, me too don't know how to perform all those things actually. I mean, me too don't know how to go ahead with these particular things. I mean, we do have an C language in when we are in BTech, we do have a C language, right? So to be honest, I'm saying I don't know about what is what and all. So now I'm in a situation to teach someone else, right? So that's why nothing is there in service now. It is quite a simple. So I can say it as the users who are having 20 years or 30 years of experience in the IT market as well. IT, if he is a very good programmer, if he is a very good in coding as well, this particular service now is new to him. Okay, the instance, the upgradations, the whatever it might be, the infrastructure of service now, everything should would be the new to him. So that's why if you keep around, however, you all are graduates, and you if you have a gap of 2 and 2+ years of experience, then we are getting good amount of calls in service now actually right now. In the this month as well, we do have a good enough of offers today. If you I mean, if you come to my office, I will definitely show you what are all the things we have been achieved this month, and what are all the things which we got the feedbacks from the users, free feedbacks from the candidates and all. I can definitely understand that. I mean, I will show you when you come to me. Okay, so what I was trying to say is like, the next month as well, in the December or November as well, for all the IT people, they will be come. Why? Because in the there will be the Christmas, and there will be no calls and everything. Last year Christmas as well, we have got a good amount of calls for service now. That means if you learn other languages, like I have been learned all the languages, ma. Like say for example, I have learned around MSBI, Power BI, DevOps. Okay, I have learned all those things, but no need to go that. I mean, no need to go to that languages. Why? Because no need to go to that particular tools. Why? Because that would be very complex. And if you keep some fake experience, like not, I can't say it as fake experience, but if you are a genuine employee as well, someone will what they will think is like they just wanted to switch their career from non-technical to technical. So you have a genuine experience, but you don't have any technical experience, right? So, and for those candidates, I can easily refer them to go to the service now. Why? Because they will want, I mean, in the organizations, if I teach you, I will teach you in the way that no one can understand that you are a fake guy, or else you are just learnt and came. Okay, so what I was trying to say you is like, whatever the things which I will be saying you will be uploaded daily. The classes will be uploaded daily. Okay, so right from June, July, whatever it might be. So as you can see here, April, February. I mean, for each and every batch, I will be uploading those particular things, and I will be preparing the document as well, the proper document. Why? Because you don't know anything else. You will come here with the hope of you need to learn something, and you need to gain the job and come, right? No one will come only for learning, right? At last, the main theme of learning is to get the job. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is the main theme of learning. So out of my trainings, all the other trainings will just give you the support till you are in the training batch. Once the training has been finished, no one will support you, nothing. They will never ever lift your phone as well. So the only difference between me and the outside peoples are just an job purpose. So I will give you the boosting, how will to prepare for the interview, how to build the resume. If you are having 10 years of gap is also fine for me. There is nothing an issue. But sincerely, please try to study well, and whatever the trainings which I was giving you on the daily basis, please try to learn that and come back to me. Then I will teach you, and I will give you the path how to get the job in service. So, to be honest, I'm saying now my sister is also there. My sister is also having around two. She is a passed out of 2009. She is from MCA. Okay, I just placed her as well in a very good organization. Not only my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law. So everyone, I have been placed in a very good organizations actually. So the only thing is you need to prepare well. Okay, the only thing is you need to prepare well, sincerely. So why? Because see, nowadays there is a good competition actually. If you go to the government jobs, you are having heavier competition. At least you need to survive in the software industry. Okay, so if you are in India, you need to either do the government jobs, either you need to do the private job. In private job as well, if you are getting around 50,000 is also waste of time, bro. To be honest, I'm saying nowadays to live in Hyderabad, you need to at least earn, I mean, good living. At least you need to earn around 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees. If you are not learning around 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees, that is what I can say it as. I mean, it is not such a living actually. Why? Because you do have very good enough skills. You do have everything. So at least you need to earn around 80,000 rupees mark. For 3 to 4 years of experience, you need to at least you need to reach around 80,000 or 1 lakh. Okay, in this population, if you are having 1 lakh, then only your family members, your, I mean, the dignity will be very good, ma, actually. Okay, if you are married, then minimum to minimum you need to get around 1 lakh rupees salary. If not, that is, I mean, waste of time in doing or wasting the time in doing the other jobs. So if you are a non-technical professional, please come to me. I will definitely help you. So basically, the course period will be around 40 days. 40 days, around 40 working days or 40 hours, I can say it as. In this 40 days, once after 40 days has been completed, before 40 days, if you want, if you are good at your skills, I will be putting you the resume after 20 days or 30 days. Okay. Why? Because at least you need to understand the vocabulary of ServiceNow. If someone asks what is meant by ServiceNow and what about ServiceNow, how does this work? So in this 30 days, after 30 days, I will be building you the resume. Okay. I will build you the resume. And later on, we can try for the jobs. If you crack, that is more than enough. More of my students will crack directly, ma. Okay. If not, then I do have another ideas how to crack the job and how to get the job. I do have another ideas. I mean, just call me. I will definitely tell you how to. I mean, I will be giving you the interview questions every day, not only one day. Okay. I will be giving you the questions every day, ma. If you want, you can also see here. So as you can see, this is the task which I was giving, and yeah, this is also a task. Why? Because the students, if the student haven't done this task, then I will be putting it in a red color so that I can easily refer who are all the things which I have been done. So for each and every student, I will giving you the time mark. Okay, it's not like you just came to me, and I do have an any. I mean, I do have some attendance as well. I will take the attendance as well on daily basis. Okay, so that you can, I can track it. If someone comes to me to get the job, first I will say just prepare first, and then only come to me. Someone will come from outside, things like some, I don't want to say the region as well. So what he will be saying is like, I just need the marriage, bro. I mean, I have a very good property in my account. I just need the job. I don't want to waste my time in getting the job and everything. I just need the offer letter. That's it. I will show this offer letter and I will get good dowry and I will leave the job. That's it. I don't want anything else more than that. That type of students also will come to me, but I will won't encourage. Why? Because that comes under the cheating. So that should not be encouraged. As a trainer, I should not encourage that type of things. Okay. So what I was trying to say is like, just try to prepare well. Just give me your 40 days of time. Prepare well. Nothing is harded, bro. No, nothing is what I can say. There is some things. The nothing is some what I can say. Nothing in the world is hard. Okay. everything is a human made, right? Human made in the sense the humans are every brain. I mean, every human has a brain. Okay, so just try to learn just be sincere, bro, for 40 days. That's it. Your life will be turned in very good mode. Okay, on daily basis, I will give you the technical questions as well as I will give you the good from basic 0 to I will teach you from 100%. So basically, in service now, we do have three types. One is the administration, admin, and three parts actually: admin, development. Someone else is still joining. It's okay. I hope they missed, I guess. Admin, development, and integrations. So, what is meant by an admin now? So, what is meant by an admin? So, let's take for example. I will tell you one small story. Okay. So, let's take Altamash is there.
Yes.
Yeah. May I know your name, please?
Nuzhat Altamash.
Yeah. So, as you can see here, let's take for example. Are you currently working or else?
No, I'm a housewife.
Okay, no issues. So let's take for example. Are you? I hope you are using some WhatsApp or Facebook or something else, right?
Right? No,
Right.
sir.
I mean, okay, it's okay. I think someone else issue. Who is issue? ISHU or Balaji? Okay, no issues. Let's take. I will take one particular user. Okay. Let's take. He is using one application. Okay. So he is using one application. So basically, this application name is. I can take it as. One second. I will take one application name as Oracle. Okay. Application name is Oracle. So he tried to log in. No, or no need of login. Okay. So he is trying to enter into the password. So he has having an asset. Asset is nothing but a. Let's take for example. This is a laptop. So laptop. So if he enter into the if he wants to log into this laptop. Okay, he wants to log into this laptop. What he needs to enter? He needs to enter his username and he needs to enter what? Password.
Password.
So if he enters the username and the password, then only he can log in into this particular laptop, right? Yes or no, ma?
Yes, yes.
So let's take now. He is entering the login as some JPS training is his name. Okay. JPS training is his name. And the password he is entering it as 3436. Okay. So now if you enter this password, user ID and the password, yesterday it has been opened. I mean, with the same password like JPS trainings username and the password is my phone number. If I given this password, my laptop has been opened yesterday and I can easily use it. And next day, tomorrow, when I logs in, I have given the same user ID and the password, but it is unable to log into this laptop. And what would be the issue? Either the
Network.
access, no, either the access, yes, you are also correct. Either the access to this particular laptop to this user has been removed, or else the network connection or something connection has been lost. Yes or no? So now
Yes.
what I will be doing is I will be check the connectivity issue. Now as a human being, no one, anyone can check it. I mean, the LAN is correct or not, whether the lights are blinking in that particular laptop or not. No, everyone can see it, right? So everything is fine, but he is unable to log into the laptop. Then what might be the issue? Well, to whom he will be contacting to the administrations. I mean, login things. I mean, login things, and if I want to get some reports and all those things, he will be approaching whom? To the admin team. Okay, he will be approaching to the admin team. You got the point? What admin will do? What the role of admin?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Now admin people is there. So to approach this admin team, now I don't want to add this one now itself. To approach this admin team has been set somewhere else in our organization. Now, what as a user, what you will be doing, ma? First, if you are unable to log in now, as a user, what you are trying to do, you will be creating one
Password. Try another password.
no, ma. No. If you are giving the another password also, it is showing as a wrong password or you are unable to log in. Please
No,
try to
there are
contact
many
the
options now. If you forget
Correct.
the password.
Yeah. But in the organizations, that would be totally different, right? If you know the perfectly your password, but you are trying unable to log in, then what
Yes.
might be the issue? That means
You raise
admin
the
people
ticket.
has removed you. Yes,
Yeah.
perfect. You will be raising the ticket. Perfect. If you are unable to log in, then you can't directly call them, admin team, through phone and say that, no, my laptop is unable to log in. Can you please help me? No one will help you, right?
Yes.
So there should be some specific departments who can help, and there should be some specific criterias. I mean, there should be some specific hierarchy. What is meant by hierarchy? Hierarchy is nothing but to follow some small things like if something else got lost, there should be some hierarchy, right? So this particular person will call to an help desk person. Okay, this particular person will call some help desk person. These are all the help desk persons. This person will call a help desk. So as soon as you call this help desk person, what he will be doing, ma? He will be creating a ticket on behalf of this person, right?
Yes.
Let's take this is a ticket. Let's take INC something number. If you are unable to get the, your laptop, if you are unable to, you have purchased one small DTD connections or something else. If you are unable to browse those TV connections, then what you will be doing? You will also call the customer care to help, right? The customer care people is known as an help desk persons. In the organizations as well, we will be having some help desk person. If this is known as an employee, he is the employee, okay? The one who uses the laptops is an employee. In the same way, he is getting the issue, and this particular help desk person is trying to create an incident. And what this help desk person do? This particular incident will be assigning to this particular ticket to admin team, so that he will be resolving the issue of having this access. That is the main role of the admin team department. Okay. Have you got the point? Is there any, confusion like this? Have you got this? What are the skills to be done for administration department? So first you will be opening this particular person's users. He will be opening, as an admin, you will be having the each and every access, how to, how to troubleshoot and everything. So actually what's happened is like he has some issue with the login. Why? Because he has not opened his laptop from the past 1 or 2 months. That's the reason this particular user has been hibernated. As an admin, you need to wake up his particular user. Then only he can able to access his laptop. That is the main role of using admin department in our ServiceNow as well. We will be having admin. So that is the things what ServiceNow people will do. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Now, what is meant by admin team? Yeah.
Can't we directly raise a ticket to admin as an employee?
As an employee, that's what. As an employee, you can directly raise a ticket. If you have an access, then you can directly raise raise a concern to the admin team. But you don't know, right? To whom you should call or whom you should. What is the ticket? How to raise the tickets? If you know, you can raise the ticket. If you don't know, what is the next thought? You need to call someone else, right? So that they will raise a ticket on behalf of you. If you know, then perfectly fine. If you don't know, you will call some person and they will be creating the ticket on behalf of you.
Got it.
Yeah. So now, who is the developers now? Who is the ServiceNow developer now? ServiceNow developer. So first and foremost thing, I just wanted to understand is quick real thing. I hope you have tried to log in with some Gmail account, or you tried to log in with some any of the accounts, right? Facebook or something else. If you give some passwords, like easy passwords, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and if you are given like A B C D E F G H, so as soon as you give this particular passwords, you will get one error message. What is the error message? Please don't give the sequential words to your passwords, which is not such secured one, right?
Yes. Yes.
So someone else, I will tell you. See, let's try to add another account. Let's try to give some JPS service now. What is August, right? So I'm just trying to give this JPS service now. Could not find the Google account. Okay, create a new one. Okay, for my personal use. Seema, where comes the this particular users? JPS is now. I'm just giving my birthday, August 31st, and then 22. Next. So this has been suggested. Okay. See, I'm trying to give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, it's okay. See, now Seema, I have given the wrong. Wantedly, I have given the wrong. If you're clicking on next, what it is showing now?
The password didn't match.
Didn't match. How the system understood that I haven't given the correct password? This is the developer's duty.
Validation.
The validations, the particular first field and the second field should match. Then only it should go to the next page. You're getting my point? What I was trying to say. So let's take, I'm giving the same name, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I'm trying to give the same name. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. What happened here? It is showing something error. What is the error? Can you please read for me?
Please choose a stronger password.
Try a mix of letters, numbers, and
Numbers
symbols.
and symbols.
I mean, why this error message came? How the system understood that I have been given the sequential letters? I mean,
They have put some backend
they had,
validation there.
yes, they had put some backend. Who are they? They are the developers. In the same way, in our service, basically this is our service Noma. This is, I mean, I have built already. I mean, there is nothing much thing over there. I will telling you. See, the instance has been hibernated. Okay, it's okay, no issues. I will wake up for a while. I will wake up for after some time. I will be waking up as a developer. Now, let's take. I have been going to the Red Bus or something else like IRCTC. Ticket booking. Okay. Yes, ticket booking. I have been opened the ticket booking. Just clicked on this. So let's take, I have been opened this, book my show, and I'm trying to book a tickets. Okay. Why I am unable to open the backdated here? I mean, you are getting my point. Why you are not unable to choose the backdated?
Past dates has been what do we say?
Completed, right? The 15th day
Disabled.
has been completed, right? Why disabled? Why it has got disabled? Because the day has been finished. There is no reason, there is no such reason to keep that particular date, right? You
Yes.
need to build that particular application. As a developers, they have been developed. As soon as 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. has been finished, this particular date should get removed. If you go to the Red Bus as well, see, if you, I just wanted to go from Hyderabad to some Nellore. Okay. So what is the date? So these all things are what happened here. Grayed out. Yes or no?
Yes.
So I can select the future dated, but not the past dated, right? It is not allowing me to do it. Yes or no, ma?
Yes.
These all things will be done by the developers, Mata. You are getting my point. Those are done by the developers. As a developer, his duty is like that. So validations, what are all the ServiceNow validations you need to do? You need to perform that type of things in the development one. Okay. As a developer, you need to do like this. So in ServiceNow, what you need to develop, how you need to develop, I will tell you. Now, if you see here, I have been opened this particular Google account. Go to the Google. Let's try to click on this. I want to change this particular Google logo. Can you do it?
No.
As a users, can you do it, ma?
No.
Why you can't do it? You are just a. I just
User.
wanted to change this.
Yeah, just a users.
I'm just a user. I can't do anything else, right? To this one.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now, basically, ServiceNow is there, right? For our ServiceNow, we do. One second, ma. It is. Yeah. So basically, for ServiceNow, we do have one. ServiceNow has given you the total authority to change anything else. Okay. He has given us the tools. He has given you the tool, and you can change whatever it might be. So let's take, you have been purchased one mobile phone. You have purchased one mobile phone. Okay. You have purchased one mobile phone. Can you change the image of your phone? I mean, in the wallpapers and everything, you can change, right?
Yes.
Yes.
How you can change? Why? Because you have purchased it, right? You have purchased the mobile, and you can do whatever it might be. Yes or no, ma?
Yes.
In the same way, ServiceNow as well, the same thing. We need to take the subscription from ServiceNow so that you can use whatever it might be. Now, all the organizations like big organizations, they will be using ServiceNow. Now, I mean, at last, I don't want to say the. I mean, Apple also will use ServiceNow only for tracking purpose. Okay, so basically, Benz, Nissan, Sunny, Sony, and very big banks like Citibank in US, Wolters Kluwer, very great organizations are using ServiceNow right now. I mean, if Apple thinks, can't he build a new one like ServiceNow? He can, but why he is unable to build it? Because ServiceNow is already a fully cooked food. Why to waste some time on it? However, ServiceNow has given you the good facility to run the correct organization infrastructure correctly, right? Why again I need to develop a new one? Just go and take it. That's it. Everyone can use. So, as I said, these are all the things will be done by the ServiceNow developer and So basically in ServiceNow developer, we will be having two types of projects. One is implementation. Another one is a development. Sorry, implementation and the I can say support project. What is meant by implementation and what is meant by support project? Implementation is nothing but you are building from the scratch. Okay, ICICI Bank is there. They want ServiceNow. That is an ICICI Bank. He will be dealing only with the amount, right? They don't deal with the softwares. They deal just with the amount.
No.
Yes. In ICICI Bank, do we have bankers or IT people?
Bankers.
Bankers only they will be having, right? If you go to the bank and say that do you know ServiceNow, or do you ask related to ServiceNow, or if you ask related to some softwares, what he will be saying, my job is just to take the amount If you have any issues with your banking account, just tell me. Yes or no? He will just see like you are a fool. Why? Because you are going to the banker and asking about the software things. My ICSA, it's not. I mean, ICSA, I just opened it, but it is not opening. What is the issue? You can't ask, right? Why this application is not downloading in your phone? You can't ask this type of things to the bankers, right?
Yes.
So, in the same way, implementation is nothing but ICICI Bank will come to you as a ServiceNow developer. He will be saying, just try to implement a new software in my organization, as because if some users are getting the issue, we cannot solve those issues. He will be saying like that. So, that's why what we will be doing is like, as a ServiceNow, they will actually, ServiceNow is a company, ma. Most of the people, they don't know, I guess. Basically, ServiceNow is a company. We already have it.
Yes, sir.
ServiceNow company. So basically, ServiceNow is one of the company. So he has built this. Who has built it? His name is Fred Luddy. Who is the inventor of ServiceNow? You need to be Fred Luddy. Just try to keep this name in your database. Okay. So ServiceNow is a company. So first ServiceNow he has released only in the college. He is a student. When he is a student, he just released in one of the institution. To run that institution, they have been he has been developed. So Fred Luddy also worked for BMC Remedy. That is another tool I said, right? BMC Remedy. In BMC Remedy, he has worked for 20 years. How many years? 20 years.
20.
After 20 years, he got some good ideas. I mean, in BMC Remedy, he found some errors. I mean, how to rectify these errors. And as a employee, he haven't done the good job, to my knowledge. Why? Because he has worked for BMC Remedy for 20 years. Why can't he directly improve the BMC Remedy? Why he came out of the organization and started ServiceNow? That means everyone has their own individuals, right? No one will, no one, you need to work for the organization. That is perfectly fine. But your life is, I mean, you should not sacrifice your life to your organization, okay? So you do have your own ethics, right? So he has came out and built ServiceNow, and then now so BMC Remedy is no more now. No more in the sense someone else are using. So I have done multiple integrations actually. In that, most of the people are traveling from Jira to ServiceNow, BMC Remedy to ServiceNow. They are trying to change everything to ServiceNow actually. So he has been invented ServiceNow, and now the ServiceNow is in a very great boom now. Right in the market, ServiceNow is the leading market now. We do have good amount of jobs in ServiceNow, good amount of things in ServiceNow. Okay, if you are non-technical professional, or if you are zero in your knowledge, is also fine for this. You just need to learn it, and I will tell you how to design your career. Okay, if you have got a good gap as well, no need to fear. Okay, if you are coming from the zero knowledge, is also fine for me. That would be the great one. Okay, see, now implementation and the support. Implementation is nothing but creating a new ServiceNow account to him. And what is meant by support? Support is nothing but once after the implementation is finished, we need to use some support. Okay, support is nothing but, let's take for example, a new home is there, bro. If you have built a new home, that comes under a implementation. Once the home has been built, building is completed. So there are some issues like pipeline issues. There are some electrical issues that comes under the support project. Okay, this is the best example I can give it. I hope you are getting my point, right? Everyone, Nadeem,
Yes, sir.
Raghavendra, Durga Rao. I hope everyone is here. Huda?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. You are understanding, right? What is meant by implementation project and support projects?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Good. So now, do you have any questions till now? And I just wanted to say about the integrations. Now, integrations. What is meant by an integration? So, integration is nothing but just give me 2 minutes of time. I will finish this and I will leave to you so that you can shoot some questions. Okay. Now, integrations. What is meant by an integrations? So, nowadays, if you have any issues, they are giving you the WhatsApp number to you. I mean, let's take Airtel. Okay, if Airtel, if you are getting any issues with the Airtel connection, so you need to send one hi message to some number. He will be giving you some mobile number, right? He will be giving you some number like 098 something something something. Okay, if he given some number, what you will be doing now? You will be just trying to ping hello. You will just ping hello. As soon as you ping hello, what you will be getting now? You will be getting some message again. Yeah, how can I help you? And again, what you will be doing? My internet, I mean, internet issue is there. So as soon as the internet issue is there, so what you will be doing? Okay, let's give me 2 minutes. I will just raise a concern for you, and I will be sending you the ticket number. He will be sending again the ticket number. This has been raised on behalf of you. Basically, how that Airtel guys are understanding, you are trying to you are trying to send an SMS in the WhatsApp. How the Airtel app is understanding to create a ticket on behalf of you. That is known as an integrations. Okay, integrations, integrate with other tools. Okay, how this Airtel people understand you are trying to ping Airtel. This is the WhatsApp. WhatsApp is another world, and Airtel is another world. How these two are interacting with the help of integrations only. Okay, you're getting my point.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to show you some things in ServiceNow.
Not clear, sir. Can
Sorry, integrations. Huh?
integration.
Yeah, I will tell you in 2 minutes. Just a minute. Just be. I think it will take some time. I just wanted you to say some in ServiceNow. So just a minute. Let it wake up the instance. Okay. Now, okay. What is the best example I can give it to you? Let's take, we do have to, this is a service now. Okay. I hope you have been booked a gas through your mobile phone. I mean, if you call
Yes.
a specific toll-free number, okay, if you call some toll-free number from your mobile phone, this, let's take, this is a mobile phone, okay? If you are calling some mobile phone, like 1800 something something, if you call, a gas will get booked. I mean, this will, a gas will get delivered to your home. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So basically, you just called this mobile number, but how this gas station? I mean, IONC, what is the company, bro? Where gas Bharat something will be there, right?
HP, Bharat, something.
Yes,
Yeah.
Bharat is there. So how this particular thing is getting the data? You are just trying to call, and they are getting the data stating that this from your mobile number, from your registered mobile number, you
Registered mobile.
yeah. From the registered mobile number, it will check with the database whether this particular user is there or not. Then only they will give you the gas station to your they will be sending you the gas to your home, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how does this particular thing is getting understanding? I mean, they will understand with the help of integrations only. I can say no need of, you are using the Geo mobile. Wait, I will give you a very good example for that. Just let me think. Oh, actually, this is a good example. Actually, if you try to let's take WhatsApp only, bro. I was trying to get some WhatsApp only. So WhatsApp is there, bro.
You
So
can
let's-
use this example also.
Which one?
If we book something on Zomato people integrate with their Google Maps.
Yeah, perfect. Google
They
Maps.
will use-
Yes. Google Maps again different, bro. Yeah, I can say it as how they. Why? Because in the Zomato itself, directly they will be having that integrated Google Maps. So that is also fine. But in our daily beings, I just need to understand. Okay. So WhatsApp, if you have an Amazon, okay. See, if you want to track your status, so okay, good, bro. So nowadays there are some applications called MMTS, like that, MMTS. Or else, if you have booked a particular bus, if you want to check where your bus is there, how can you check that? They have been given one small application,
ID.
right? Tracking ID, some tracking ID they will be giving you, right? With the tracking ID, you can easily check where your bus it is, where the bus is. How can you check that? I mean, by using the tracking ID. So with the help of Google Maps, there is a Google Map, right?
Yes.
Google Map is there. So how does Google Map understand the tracking ID? They don't know, right? Tracking ID is different. Tracking ID has given by the APS RTC, and you are trying to click on that particular tracking ID so that it will show your bus is at Mehedipatnam, your bus is at Panjagutta. How does this particular thing understand? By using the tracking ID, they have been integrated with Google Maps.
Google Map.
Exactly.
Okay, so that you can understand. I mean, the icon will be moving. Something. I mean, this is at Mehedipatnam, at Panjagutta, at now, near you, like that. So you can easily understand it. So this is known as an integration, integrating with other third-party tools. So as I said, there is a Jira. Jira is one of the ticketing tool. This is also, and we do have a ServiceNow. ServiceNow is also another ticketing tool. So let's take for example now. This is also a ticketing tool, and this is also a ticketing tool. So basically, my customer is using Jira from the past 10 years or 20 years. That means we will be having lakhs of database, right? Now, what my customer need is they don't want to use Jira. They just wanted to use ServiceNow. Suddenly, if you change this particular from Jira to ServiceNow, does the customer understands each and everything?
No.
The interface
it
and
takes
everything is
time.
total. It takes time, right? So before it takes time, I will just tell you one small thing. Like I have created a ticket in Jira. I have created a ticket in Jira, like Jira 123. Jira 123. As soon as I create a ticket in Jira, it should also create a ticket in ServiceNow. Okay, it should also create a ticket in ServiceNow. Why? Because I don't want to lose the data from Jira to ServiceNow for some days. I just need to track how the Jira is getting flow and how the Jira is working. Everything needs to get pasted in our Jira, right? So if you take one mobile phone as well, bro, if you take some mobile phone as well, if you have a data here, if you need to get the data to be reflected in the other data as well, right? And the other phone, if you are having the mobile one, if you purchased mobile 2, you just need the data which is existed in the mobile 1, and right? Why? Because your memories, your whatever it might be, you just need to get this data to get pasted in the mobile 2. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello,
yes.
you're getting my point, bro.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's take this is Android. This is
Yes,
Android mobile. This is iPhone. So what are all the ways are there to get the data? Either you can get with the help of some tools like Quick Share, Share Me, or something like Bluetooth,
Third-party apps.
third-party apps. That means this particular
Third-party
third-party apps. How does this third-party apps understand that you are trying to move these things to iPhone? That means these will integrate with your data. These will integrate with the data and then send the data to iPhone. Okay, this comes under the integrations, bro. I mean, whatever the data which you are trying to paste it, that comes under the data. So one more thing. Nowadays there is a robot. Robot is there. I mean, you can talk to some virtual agent. Yes or no, bro? I hope you know it. I mean, if you, I can say, if you open some
It is chat
sites,
assistant.
chatbot, chat assistant. How does chat? I mean, if you are trying to ping hello, how are you? Then he will talk to you. Yes or no? I mean, what is your issue? My issue is something. LAN is not working or something. As soon as you send a response, he will be giving you the response. That means how it is getting the response from other third-party tools and giving to you. That also, as a ServiceNow developer, you need to set ma. As soon as the Jira created ticket, in ServiceNow you need to create the ticket. So that type of things you need to do as a ServiceNow developer. Okay, getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, these are all the things which I want you to say. So if you have anything else, just let me know, ma. I'm done for the day. And one more thing is like every day morning 9 to 10 would be the classes. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And daily 1 hour will be there. I will be giving you the tasks. I will be giving you each and everything in the sessions. Just try to prepare well. Just pray to your gods and just come back with very good positive vibes. Okay, please try to remove every negative vibes and just come only with the positive vibes and start the good beginning. God will definitely help you. I will be the path to help you. Just try to start the career from here. Okay?
Can't there will be any change in time? Like from 9:30, I'll be having night shift.
9:30. No, why? Because you just need to cover for half an hour time. Let's see.
Yes,
And
more
yeah,
time.
yeah, I will tell you. Let's see.
If there will be any change in time, like it will be 8,
No,
then
no.
that will be fine for me.
I will discuss. Maximum we will see. If it is 9, that would be perfect time for all actually. As because keeping that mind I have created. It's okay, ma.
Yes.
It's only about the 40 days, right? Why can't you take the permission from your manager and come back? Let's see.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
discuss after our session, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, ma. And if you have any queries or something else related, just try to ping me on this mobile number. I will definitely help you. And I do have another number, 8898 He is the admin of my team. He will take care of everything. So if you have any technical things and everything, just try to ping on this number 9014403436. If you have any doubts like how to keep the resume, how soon I can get the jobs, and all those things will be taken care of by this number. Okay, his name is Vasu. If do you have any doubts or anything else, just let me know, ma.
Yeah, myself, Gaut.
Yeah, Gauss, tell me hi.
Yeah, regarding, I don't have any knowledge on JavaScript. How
Great.
can
Okay.
yeah, I have a total of 6.2 years in networking. Yeah,
What is your company name?
it's Capgemini.
Okay, good. I mean, in Capgemini only you are working for how many years?
6.2 years.
Great, then no issues. I mean, what's the duty? I mean, non-technical in the sense what you do.
No. It's a completely technical network security.
It's okay, no problem.
Yeah,
If you relieve
actually,
from your organization, what would be the designation
no,
of
no,
you?
I already relieved from my organization last year due to some issues. I left the organization.
How many
Due to
years
some personal
happened?
issues. It's been more than 10 months.
Got it. it's not around 1 year, right?
No, not around 1 year.
Okay, no problem, bro. It's okay. Please try to meet me. Okay, I will tell you I will tell you the things how to move on the things with you. I just wanted to share you some of the feedbacks of my students. They have been sent to me. Just give me 2 minutes of time. I
Okay.
will share it with you. Before that, I just wanted to show you the ServiceNow instance. How does this look as?
Okay.
So basically, this is the login page. Thus, you please try to come. Okay, I will send you the location of my office. Just try to come there and meet me. I will tell you how to process ahead with it. Definitely
Sure,
suits,
definitely.
bro.
Yeah, what about the JavaScript part?
One more thing I just wanted to. Yeah, good question. So basically, ServiceNow has been implemented. Backend is JavaScript.
Okay.
What it is? Backend is JavaScript. So as I said in the past only, even if you are very good in coding for 20 years, if you have an experience of 15 years also, you are in good coding. As I said, ServiceNow is new to him as well.
Okay.
ServiceNow is inbuilt app. So he has built his own application actually, own interface. API stands for application programming interface. He has built his own interface actually. Because of his own interface, the developers who can learn ServiceNow only can understand this APIs. Even if you have 20 years of experience, 15 years of experience for ServiceNow, he is new only. If you are having zero knowledge is also fine, bro. I'm saying now, bro, I'm from electrical. I don't know anything else. I'm a BTech graduate from electrical and MTech graduate from electrical power systems. No more related to software. Okay, either from you or from diploma is also fine for me. Just
I'm
try
also
to.
a BTech graduate from electrical.
Uh, good. So that's what I'm saying. If you are having a zero knowledge is also fine for me. Just come, start from the beginning. Everyone is for a new kid. A for apple, B for ball. He is new, right? Now everyone
Yes.
knows A for apple, B for ball, and all. In the same way, ServiceNow is also same, bro. There is nothing else. If you are having zero knowledge is also fine for me. If you are good having good communication skills, that's fine. If you are not having that communication skills also, I do have another method to place you. I will tell you how to do it. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma. If you have anything else, just tell me. But JavaScript will be there, but not up to the extent. I will teach you till you place in the job. After getting placed as well, I will help you, bro. I can owe you that. Okay? One second, ma. I will just pause for a while. This screen share. I will share you some feedback. I mean, I will be giving support for multiple students actually. No need to bother. It is not opening, I guess. Yeah, Satya Sadar, you are trying to say something?
On just two questions.
Yeah, please.
Do we have any curriculum of this
Yes,
40
sir.
days?
Yes, ma, we do have.
And other thing is, are we creating any WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I will be creating, bro. I will be creating the WhatsApp group. I will be creating everything. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. So as you can see here, these are all my feedbacks. If you want to show me the other feedback messages, like just a minute. I will download it and I will show it to you. So as you can see here, this would be the ServiceNow instance. No need of buying this ServiceNow instance and all. Okay, it is free of cost. No one will give you nothing. It is free of cost. Anyone can log in. Okay. Yeah, as you can see. So now I just changed this logo. Actually, in the past, that is in ServiceNow logo. I have just, this is for free versions actually. Okay. It stands with dev something else. Okay, I will teach you tomorrow how to create this particular instance, and I will start the sessions from tomorrow. Okay. Done, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Do you have anything else to discuss? Just let me know. If you have any doubts, just please feel free to ask.
So, will you share everyday recordings with us?
Yes, yes. I will share you everyday recordings like this. 31st July, before business rules, and whatever the criteria is there, I will tell you. And the syllabus copy is this. Just a minute, let it load. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you one more thing, ma. Basically, ServiceNow, we are having around not only ITSM. Okay, for we will be having ITSM, HRSD, ITAM, ITOM. All these things we will be having. When ITSM stands for it will manage the services. Okay, service management. So what is meant by HRSD? HRSD is nothing but if you are having any payroll issues, if you are having any, I mean, if you want to take any leaves, if your manager is abusing you, if you are managing it, torturing you, then what you will be doing, ma? You will be creating an incident, huh? Will you be creating the incident ticket?
Not at all.
Not at all, right? If you are having any payroll issues, or if you want to inquiry about your job, and if you want to onboard, if you want to offboard, I mean, if your terminations, everything will be taken of what? Take care by HR team, right? So for this one, we will be having HRSD. Now assets. So how many assets are there in your organizations? How many assets are there in your organizations? And everything will be taken care by the asset management. And operationals. Operation is also same. Operationals in the sense we are having discovery. Discovery is nothing but how many devices are connecting to your private network, and all those things will comes under the ITOM. How many businesses are running in your organizations will taking care of business management. Okay, you are getting my point. These are all the modules will cover in ServiceNow, not only ITSM. Okay, these are all comes under the ITSM only. We will teach around ITSM. I will teach, and HRSD I will teach. No one will teach HRSD, but I, with my own interest, I will be teaching you HRSD as well. So these are all the topics, ma. Tables, roles. So these are all the development concepts. Client scripts, server-side scripts. I will tell you, ma. Okay, no need to fear about all those things. Okay, I will be teach you from the basic to advanced. Okay, if you have anything else doubts, just tell me. We will start our sessions on daily basis from tomorrow only. Okay, tomorrow also I will teach for some time in the session, and then I will teach the demo. First I will give you the demo and then start the session. Okay, any leads or anything else, just let me know, or else we are good to drop off. We are already around I have spoken around 1 hour.
Anna, can you suggest any book?
బుక్కులు గిక్కులు వద్దబ్బా, ఇదేమన్నా మనము
చదువుకోవడానికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది బుక్ అందుకని.
బెస్ట్ ఏం చెప్పనా? సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బేసిక్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్, just try to go with this one. Just a minute, I will tell you. W3 schools. This one, best one. No need to take any book or nothing. Just go to try here. For each and everything, you will be having this. What I can say. Objects, versions, and each and everything you can practice here only. Okay, try it yourself. Just click on try it yourself. As you can see here, hello JavaScript. See, as you can see here, you don't know anything. Okay, you please try to forget about everything. If you want to learn something, you have a good document as well. So basically, one of many JavaScript still methods is this one. I mean, if you want to learn, don't go with the books and everything. Just try to learn this. That is totally perfectly fine. Okay.
Yeah, one more doubt from my side.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I was in a teaching field for IT.
Which field?
Just I want to shift to my domain. 8 years in teaching field, like where lecturer I was.
Okay, you are a lecturer.
Yeah, you're getting
Do
my
you
voice.
have the PF account?
Yeah. I want to shift.
Okay.
No. Actually, my institution was not encouraged to get the PF account. That is my issue with that.
Oh my God! From the past 8 years, you are not holding the PF.
Yeah, it was a private organization. They were not initiated the PF account for the employees, teaching employees. For
Oh my God.
non-teaching, it was there. But
Mm-hmm.
we pressurized them, but they're not given us.
Okay. Then we need to keep some companies. Okay, no issues, bro. We will talk it later regarding this. Why? Because I will be
Yeah.
uploading this in YouTube. So
Okay.
let's discuss this after the session. Okay. Please call
Okay.
me today evening. Okay.
Okay. Right. Sure.
Let's discuss this. Why? Because
Yes.
at least if you are in a population and you are earning some amount, at least you need to have a PF account, bro. Nowadays, all the organizations are seeing the PF account only. From the past 8 years, you have wasted this much time. 8 years is not a joke.
Yeah. Actually, we do that, but where if they initiated, we can, but they're not allowed us for opening the account.
That happens, bro. Multiple
Mm.
people will come like that. It's okay.
Yes.
I do have one suggestion for them.
Okay. Right.
Go
Right.
for
I'll
it.
talk with you personally.
Definitely. Yeah.
Right.
Anyone else? Any doubts? Muhammadiya or Balaji, Durgarao, Narendra, Murli? Yeah,
No,
tell me.
it's clear.
Sir, I have 2 years gap. I do have past experience in IT.
Hmm.
I do have 2 years gap. 2022, I have resigned my company. Is it okay?
How many
Can
total
we
years of experience you have?
6+ years, sir? Pennar, I
Got it.
used to work. Pennar Industries as an IT engineer. As an assistant manager, I resigned there.
Oh, okay.
I want to change the domain to ServiceNow. I
Got
do
it.
have, yeah, I do have the experience in IT industry. Like that was for Pennar Engineer Building System was for construction of pre-engineered building structures.
Got it.
I
Got it.
used to handle Citrix and all the network related thing.
Got it. Okay.
So can I start with the service now, as it can be from the zero and scratch now?
No, no need. From the scratch, we will not get calls. I will tell
Okay.
you.
Okay, sir.
I
Thank you.
will tell you. Just call me, huh?
Oh, sure, sir.
Okay. Why? Because I just don't want to disclose everything. I do have an each and every trick to get you the jobs, but I don't want to disclose here.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, that's not an issue, sir. But just I want to get a confirmation. That's it. Thank you.
You have PF, right?
Yes, sir. I do have PF for the last 2 years. I don't have any job. For family issues, I left the job there.
No problem.
Last
No
2 years,
problem.
I don't have any PF.
No problem. No problem at all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we can use those reasons when you are good at your skills. The
Yes, sir.
2 years is not such a gap.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, then. Thank you so much for your valuable time. It's really nice talking to you all. So, happy Independence Day related. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye bye.
Let's connect tomorrow at 8. Sorry, 9.
Sure. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.